Hey everyone, welcome back. The all-new upcoming Hot Wheels Elite 64 model as a 1989 Toyota Hilux stadium truck. The all-new upcoming collab car as a Hot Wheels, releasing on August 30th, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. So check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups. The all-new upcoming set by Matchbox as a Best of Europe Mix 4. Now let's check out a complete sneak peek of an upcoming new models by Matchbox. Has a basics, moving parts and 5-pack sets. A DiecastTalk presents introducing a DiecastTalk Japan exclusive 1:64 scale model of a Toyota Hilux SR5 4x4, limited to just 800 pieces, including 15 chrome gold chase models. This highly detailed diecast features working suspension, steering, an opening hood and a trunk bed. Plus, it comes with a waterslide decals for spotlights and extra engine bay details. So check out a sneak peek of this car. A Tarmac Works presents a particular Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 3. So pre-order this Global 64 model via authorized resellers. Not everyone is a fan of a modified S-Class, but we surely love this one. And outfitted with a Japanese-style body kit, this Mercedes-Benz S-Class Wild turns heads on the streets of Shinjuku and now in a 1:64 scale model. So pre-order has already been started. A Top Art Models presents a Liberty Walk F40, color of a car white, limited up to 699 units, made from diecast, releasing on October 2024. A second model by Top Art presents a Liberty Walk F40, color of a car red, limited up to 699 units, made from diecast, releasing on October 2024. A Focal Horizon Models presents a Nissan Skyline GTR R33. Color of a car, Chrome Carbon Green. Limited up to 999 units, made from diecast, releasing on October 2024. A Time Micro Models presents a Honda NSX Racing. Color of a car, white and red and white, limited up to 999 each with and without figure, made from diecast, releasing on October 2024. A MoreArt Models presents a Kawasaki White Floral Girl Motorcycle Doll. Color of a set, white, made from resin, releasing on November 2024. And the last model for today's episode is by MoreArt, presents a Volkswagen 4S showroom model, releasing on October 2024. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications so you can get daily regular updates. See you next time.